In this video, I will show you how to run your app locally inside Antigravity. Antigravity has a built-in browser preview that lets you see your website live while you are coding. So let me show you quickly how we can run our app locally. So firstly, if you have your app created, like me, I have simple HTML website, and I will click on this browser icon in top right corner of my Antigravity. It's going to redirect you to this local host. So this is the URL of it. And here you can see some kind of preview. So you can see all of the stuff that the Antigravity can do. So for example, it can click, scroll, type, and navigate web pages automatically while working on it. So you can see also some example use cases. And in order to see your live preview, we need to start our server. Firstly, you need to open your terminal. So if you don't see the terminal right away, simply click on this toggle panel and it's going to open this terminal. And first thing you need to have Node.js installed. So you want to go to Node.js official website and you want to basically download your version. Or if you don't know if you have Node.js in your computer, what you can do, you can simply type node/v like a version. And if you see number like v something, this means you have Node installed and this is your current version. Now to start your server, it also depends what kind of project you have. So different commands might start the server, but the most common ones are npm start. So this is the first one, you can try this one, or npm run dev. So I can press this and now you can see your local URL. So it's this localhost 3000. So I can basically copy this and I can open my browser. If I paste it over here, you can see this is our live preview app and we can test it if everything works. So I have this simple to-do list. I can add tasks and I can check them and you can see everything works. And after you have this localhost preview, the agent can interact with your app. So you can, for example, ask him to test functionality of your app and it's going to automatically add tasks by itself. It will check them, remove them and everything. You can also test it by yourself. And if you want to turn this server on, what you need to do, you need to go to this terminal and you want to press Ctrl C and it's going to shut down this local server. So now if I try to open this server, you can see the site can't be reached. Alright, so this is going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.